Hello guys. Today we're upgrading security with a smart digital door lock. First, we remove the existing lock hardware and clean the door surface to prepare for a precise fit. Next, we measure and align the new digital lock components, ensuring correct positioning for both the exterior keypad and interior unit. Now the latch and strike plate are installed and tightened securely to guarantee smooth locking and unlocking. Then, we mount the front digital panel, connect the internal module, and secure all screws for a stable, tamper-resistant setup. After that, we installing the batteries, then we power on the device and begin the initial configuration. And the lock is tested multiple times to confirm accuracy and response speed. Lastly, user codes and access settings are programmed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and follow for more.